Hi Playmates! Let's explore this fun activity box. Our first activity is a gear system. Let's take a closer look. The first three things that I noticed are a rainbow, a utility truck, and the sun. And look, there are 5 gears. When you turn one of them, the others turn as well. Wow! They go in the opposite direction when you turn it the other way. That's so cool! Next, we have the clock activity. Let's explore a little closer and learn how to read a clock. There are 12 hours on a clock and 60 minutes in 1 hour. You can see that here in this yellow ring. The long hand is for minutes and the short hand is for hours. The long hand is pointing to the 10 and the short hand is pointing to the 2. Right now, the time is 2:50. Let's practice telling time. The long hand is pointing to 12 and the short hand is still on 2. Whenever the long hand points to 12, we read it as o'clock. It shows that a new hour has begun. So right now, it is 2 o'clock. Can you guess this time? Good job! It's 5 o'clock. Now the long hand is at 9. Pay attention to the yellow ring. That's right! It's 5:45. Now both hands are pointing to 10. That's correct! It's 10:50. Moving on, we have the xylophone activity. The bars are going from shortest to longest. Let's take a closer look at the colors. This bar is purple. Next is magenta, pink, yellow, and blue. Let's give the xylophone a try using this mallet. The shorter the bar, the higher the sound. And the longer the bar, the lower the sound. Wow, that was so fun! Let's move on to the next activity. This is the shape insertion activity. This is a light blue square. Next is the yellow pentagon. Now let's insert the orange circle. Then the blue triangle. And last, the magenta rectangle. A little break time. If you're enjoying today's learning session, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Here we have the bead maze activity. Some beads are shaped like transportation vehicles. Let's go over them. Our first bead is blue. Next is a fire truck. Then a boat. An ambulance, and a green bead. Let's watch them fall into place. And for this side, the first bead is yellow. Next is a police car, an airplane, a yellow taxi, and a red bead. Now let's watch this side fall into place. Next we have the carrot harvest activity. The carrots are different sizes. Let's sort them. Can you help me find the biggest carrot? It's this one. Good job. Now let's find the carrot that belongs to this hole. Amazing! It's this one. Which carrot belongs to this hole? That's right! Now this hole. Correct, it's that one. And last, this carrot goes into this hole. Moving on, we have the shape sorting activity. Let's put the correct shapes onto the pegboard, starting with the color pink. A circle with one hole, a rectangle with 2 holes, a triangle with 3 holes, and a square with 4 holes. Now let's find all of the yellow shapes. A circle, a rectangle, a triangle, and a square. A blue circle, a blue rectangle, a blue triangle, and a blue square. Last are the orange shapes. Circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. Our last activity is the worm catching activity. Let's help the early bird catch the pink worms. One, two pink worms. Now the yellow worms. 1, 2 yellow worms. Now the blue worms. 1, 2 blue worms. The green worms. 1, 2 green worms. And last, the purple worm. Thank you so much for joining the Play Circle today. I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed today's learning session. You can always learn more at the Play Circle's channel. That's all for today. Goodbye, Playmates.